Hello everybody, this is Hunter Rustad doing my presentation for WordPress SEO for advanced website design. So here we have the title slide. It says WordPress SEO Advanced Website Design by Jacob and Hunter. Here are the 5 important concepts I'll be going over. 1. Optimizing your blog posts for SEO. 2. Optimizing images for SEO. 3. Security and safety for your WordPress site. 4. Optimize WordPress comments. And 5. Optimizing link usage. So here's the first slide of content. Optimizing your blog posts for SEO. Often when users install and activate SEO plugins, they think that is all that needs to be done. SEO is an ongoing process that must be regularly updated. Yoast allows to add titles, descriptions, and focus keywords to every blog or page. Also previews what is shown when users Google the website. Takes full advantage of SEO recommendations for optimizing titles and descriptions. Here's optimizing images for SEO. Images are important in posts and pages, helping engage the users more than standard text. They also can slow down your website, depending on size, quality, etc. JPEGs for photos or images, PNGs for simple graphics. Always use descriptive titles and alt tags. These will help search engines and users understand the image. Multiple plugins are available for galleries and images with fully responsive design, and they are SEO friendly. Here's security and safety for your WordPress site. As with almost everything, safety and security is extremely important for websites and SEO. Google blacklists 20,000 sites for malware and 50,000 sites for phishing each week, meaning they will not show up in any search results, and it will also hurt your SEO score or ruin it. Stay updated, keep strong passwords and user permissions. Backing up your data and installing firewalls are all ways to help keep your site secure. There are many plugins that assist with security for WordPress. Don't let all that work go for nothing. Optimize WordPress comments. Comments keep your website captivating for users, allowing more links back to your website, improving SEO, and more traffic. As with many elements in WordPress, there are many plugins that can help combat spam, which could potentially damage search rankings. Keep your website engaging, but also safe. One thing I'll add about the comments is if there's too many of them, it'll slow your site down, leading to a worse SEO score. And you can split these comments up in multiple pages to make them load faster. Optimizing link usage. For internal links are a great way to boost your SEO score. Link your content from one page or post to your other pages or posts. Interlinking posts is also a great way to boost your SEO score. Ideally, you should link your post to 3 other posts to boost page views and increase the amount of time visitors spend on your site. And you can also put as a checklist for your authors and contributors that they should link to 3 or however many other posts, so you know that it's being done. For external links, when you link to an external page, you pass along some of your SEO score, also known as link juice, is what they called it. Make sure that you have more incoming link traffic than outgoing link traffic. If you do not wish to have search engines follow a link, include rel equals no follow into your link. There's an example here with a anchor tag showing the no follow. And that is it. Here's some acknowledgements. We got all of our information from the article on this website, and all of the images came from these sites. Thank you for your time.